What's the meaning of cold cash? Cold cash. Cold cash.
Cold cash. Cold cash. Cold cash is a colloquial term that refers to physical money, in contrast to other forms of payment such as credit cards or checks. It typically implies that the money is immediately available and tangible, as opposed to virtual or delayed forms of payment. The phrase has its roots in 18th century English usage, where cold meant in hand, and has since become a popular idiom in modern English. In short, cold cash means physical money that is readily available and able to be used for purchases or transactions.